Mi-26, the world's largest helicopter. The Mi-26 is the largest and most powerful helicopter ever built. Designed by the Soviet Union's Mil Moscow helicopter plant, it made its first flight in 1977 and entered service in the early 1980s. Unlike any other helicopter, the Mi-26 was created to handle extremely heavy loads, making it an essential asset for both military and civilian operations worldwide. Its enormous size and lifting capacity set it apart from all other helicopters in existence. One of the Mi-26's most impressive features is its lifting capability. It can carry up to 20,000 key, 44,000 lbs of cargo, more than any other helicopter, with a total length of 40 meters, 131 feet, and a rotor diameter of 32 meters, 105 feet. The Mi-26 dwarfs most aircraft in its category. Powered by two D-136 turboshaft engines, it can reach a top speed of 295 km/h, 183 mph, and operate in various challenging environments, from Arctic tundras to desert landscapes. The Mi-26 has been widely used for military and humanitarian missions. It plays a critical role in transporting tanks, armored vehicles, and large military equipment. Additionally, it is often deployed in disaster relief operations, delivering supplies to remote areas affected by earthquakes, floods, and other natural calamities. In some cases, it has even been used to transport other helicopters or rescue stranded aircraft from inaccessible locations. Besides military applications, the Mi-26 is also used in commercial and industrial sectors. It assists in construction projects, transporting massive equipment and materials to hard-to-reach locations such as oil rigs and mountain sites. The helicopter has also played a role in firefighting, using large water buckets to combat wildfires. Its versatility and reliability have made it indispensable in many industries that require heavy-lift aerial operations. Despite being over 4 decades old, the Mi-26 remains in service today, with various upgrades improving its performance and efficiency. Several countries, including Russia, China, and India, continue to use the Mi-26 for both military and civilian purposes. While newer heavy-lift helicopters are being developed, none have yet surpassed the Mi-26 in size and lifting power, cementing its legacy as the king of helicopters.